See your head? Smokey, what are you doing?
So I'm leaving. Leave me alone. Well, hi. So, get over here. On this Honda Pioneer 500 Mud Pro Edition, I was gonna look at how exactly they did the snorkel. I didn't do it. They did it there at Honda of Russellville, and it looks like all they did is they just cut the stock air intake here, because you can see, you know, it's bolted here, and you know, it's kind of up there, yeah. Hang on, let me see if I can. Better. Yeah, so that's the stock. I don't know what is going on with this air thing here. This is all... Yeah, I ought to clean that up, let the air flow a little better. But, whatever, you know, the warranty went with the snorkel, and so I'm not complaining. So what they did is they put the, looks like 1.5 inch black PVC, and then they, you know, 90'd it, and you can see the 1.5 right there. Yeah, and then they 90'd it up, and then just another straight run of PVC, and the HL top. I think that's Highlifter. I could be wrong. I don't know, but it's the HL riser. So yeah, that's all there is to snorkeling the Honda Pioneer 500 right there. And like I said, I didn't do it. They did it, and they call it, you know, the Mud Pro Edition. Honda Pioneer. Whoa, I'll zoom out. Mud Pro Edition, Honda Pioneer 500, and the warranty. You know, they keep the warranty with the snorkel and everything because they did it. And we got this this strong made cage here on it. Been cutting trees and all kinds of fun stuff. It doesn't go all the way to the front, and it kind of, you know, doesn't really follow how the back rack goes, whatever, you know. But it holds 2 chainsaws and all kinds of other fun stuff. I thought you were going inside. No?
I can't.
Because you're holding Kiki?
Yeah.
So, wasn't it the last Pioneer video I did? You were holding that cat?
Yeah.
And you left me at the bottom of the hill?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, it pretty good. We are leaking bar oil everywhere, as you can kind of tell. Yeah, I don't know how well it's turning out, but you can see it in there. So yeah, that is that. Just a little whatever of whatever. I don't know. Still need to get up here and steal it and get it out of the mud.
I'm surprised you had some left.